Welcome back to the channel, and today we are dedicating the next 15 minutes to a vehicle that has spent nearly half a century defining the American midsize sedan, the 2026 Honda Accord. In a world that seems obsessed with bulky SUVs and expensive EVs, the Accord stands as a reminder that the low-slung, aerodynamically efficient sedan is not just alive, but thriving through intelligent evolution. For 2026, Honda has refined the formula of the 11th generation model, bringing premium technology down to the entry-level trims and sharpening the driving dynamics to ensure it remains the gold standard in a segment where the Toyota Camry and Hyundai Sonata are nipping at its heels. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 model retains that sophisticated, postmodern silhouette that leans into elegance over flashy gimmicks. Notice the long, dignified hood and the fastback roofline that mimics a European sportback. But for this year, Honda has introduced subtle, aggressive tweaks to the front fascia. The grille features a revised active shutter mesh panel shielded by a gloss black finish on the sport and touring models, while the LED headlights have been slimmed down with a blacked-out housing that makes the car look wider and more menacing in your rearview mirror. As we walk around the side, you'll see that the 2026 SE and Sport trims now come standard with massive 19-inch Berlina black alloy wheels, which fill the arches much better than the 17-inch units of years past. Moving to the rear, the linear LED taillights create a signature light bar that accentuates the car's broad stance. And on the hybrid trims, you get a new dark diffuser on the lower valance that adds just enough sportiness without looking boy racer. Now, let's step inside, because the interior is where Honda has truly moved the needle for 2026. The big news for the entry-level LX and SE trims is that the tiny 7-inch screen is officially dead. It has been replaced by a much more responsive 9-inch color touchscreen that includes a physical volume knob and, most importantly, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Additionally, every single 2026 Accord now features a 15W wireless phone charger right in the center console, a feature that used to be locked behind the $35,000 price point. As we move up to the hybrid models, the Sport, EXL, Sport L, and Touring, you're greeted by the massive 12.3-inch display, which remains the largest ever in a Honda. This screen is the gateway to Google built-in, giving you native access to Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Play Store, which means your navigation is always live and your voice commands actually work for climate control and media. The 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster is also standard across the board, providing crisp graphics and a customizable layout that shows you everything from your hybrid energy flow to your Honda sensing safety status. Speaking of comfort, the body-stabilizing seats are a revelation for long-distance driving. They use an internal resin mat to support the pelvis and spine, and when you opt for the Touring trim, you get the full luxury treatment with heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear outboard seats, and a 6-speaker Bose premium audio system that features Centerpoint technology to turn your cabin into a concert hall. Space-wise, the Accord continues to dominate the class. With 40.8 inches of rear legroom, even a 6-foot-tall passenger can sit behind a 6-foot-tall driver and still cross their legs, and the 16.7 cubic feet of trunk space is actually deeper and more usable than many compact SUVs. Under the hood, the 2026 lineup is split into two distinct philosophies. The LX and SE trims are powered by the 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering 192 horsepower and 192 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a revised CVT that uses step-shift programming to mimic traditional gear changes, preventing that droning sensation under heavy acceleration. However, the true soul of the 2026 model is the 4th-generation 2-motor hybrid system, which is standard on over 50% of the trims. The transition between electric and gasoline power is almost imperceptible thanks to new software tuning. And the steering wheel deceleration selectors allow you to adjust the level of regenerative braking on the fly, much like you would in a full EV. In terms of efficiency, the EXL Hybrid is the star of the show, achieving a staggering 51 miles per gallon in the city and 44 miles per gallon on the highway, while the Sport trims with the 19-inch wheels still manage a very respectable 46 miles per gallon city. Handling has always been the Accord's ace in the hole. And for 2026, Honda has further refined the McPherson strut front and multi-link rear suspension to reduce road vibration and improve turn-in precision. The car feels lighter than its dimensions suggest, with a dual-pinion electric power steering system that provides genuine feedback from the road. Safety is another non-negotiable area for Honda. The Honda Sensing Suite is standard on every 2026 model, featuring a new wide-angle camera and radar that can better distinguish between pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. This system includes traffic jam assist, which handles steering, braking, and acceleration in low-speed congestion, and a much smoother adaptive cruise control that does panic brake when a car merges in front of you. We also have to mention the improved sound deadening. For 2026, Honda has added more insulation in the wheel wells and revised the door seals, making the cabin significantly quieter at highway speeds than the previous generation. Pricing for the 2026 model starts at an incredibly competitive $29,590 for the LX, and even the fully loaded Touring trim tops out at around $40,645, which is a bargain when you consider it rivals entry-level luxury cars from Acura or Lexus in terms of features and build quality. Honda's new maintenance program also carries over, covering your oil changes and tire rotations for the first year or 12,000 miles, adding to the long-term value proposition. As we wrap up this 15-minute deep dive, the conclusion is clear. The 2026 Honda Accord isn't trying to be a futuristic spaceship or a rugged off-roader. It is simply trying to be the most polished, efficient, and driver-centric midsize sedan on the planet. It manages to balance high-tech features like Google built-in with old-school virtues like massive trunk space and a suspension that actually cares about the driver's experience. Whether you're a parent prioritizing the top safety pick plus rating, a commuter looking to slash your fuel bill with the 51 miles per gallon hybrid, or a professional who wants a sleek, authoritative presence on the road, the 2026 Accord delivers on every front. It is a car that doesn't just meet expectations. It exceeds them by paying attention to the small details that make daily driving a pleasure rather than a chore. In a market where many manufacturers are cutting corners, Honda has doubled down on quality, ensuring that the Accord remains not just a smart choice, but the best choice in the segment for 2026. Thank you for joining me for this full detail review, and if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the latest automotive technology. The 2026 Honda Accord is officially here, and it's proving once again that the king of the sedans isn't going anywhere anytime soon. It's smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever, making it the definitive benchmark for the modern era of the automobile.